Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys metal butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the metal butt plug itself. It's a very impressively sized metal butt plug from Easy Toys, and there's lots of different varieties in sizes, shapes, and of course the gems at the base just here as well. Now this stunning polished aluminium anal plug features a beautiful clear crystal here. Now this is shown here in the colour pink, and it's also available in a clear one as well. It's formed with a tapered tip, a smooth bulbous body just here as well, so it feels very smooth upon insertion, and removal is simple and easy as well. The base just here is wide so it stays in place, and obviously it features the luxurious gem as well. Now this is perfect for anal stimulation, and because it's made of metal, this means it's also suitable for temperature play, meaning you can pop this in warm water to enjoy a warmer sensation during use, or you could pop it in cold water to enjoy cooler sensations during use. The choice is up to you. It's temperature responsive, which means it's cold to the touch, but it also warms up very quickly as well. Now when using this metal butt plug, you can use water-based lubricant or you can use silicone-based lubricant as well. Again, the choice is up to you. We highly recommend to clean after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Easy Toys metal butt plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.